Welcome to the Random Trader 2022 and beyond, episode number 6. And real quick, before we get started, the why of the Random Trader series. There's 2 reasons that I created the Random Trader video series, and it was designed, number 1, to prove that you can enter a trade at any time, any direction, with no stop loss and win, debunking the need for complex trade entry strategies. And number 2, to emphasize that trade management is the key to Forex profits. Now let's get on with today's episode. In the last episode, we did a random sell trade on the currency pair CHF-JPY, Chief JPY. If I go to the account history here, the market just opened its Sunday evening, and as expected, I took a small profit because I set the profit to be taken actually before the market closed on Friday. So we took a $4.14 profit. Not a lot of profit, but again, I didn't want preferably to hold the trade over the weekend, and we didn't have to. We took profit, small profit, but profit nonetheless on an absolute random trade. So let's go back to the trade tab and let's go to the browser and let's generate the next random trade here on Sunday evening and enter that trade next. If you would like to follow the Random Trader live and watch all of my trades in real time on your mobile device, tablet, or desktop PC, you can do so completely for free. I give you direct access to all of the account login details at fxwithterry.com/account login, and you'll find a direct link in the description below. So get access, download the app or the software, and follow the Random Trader live right on your mobile device. This is how I do it. I created a Google spreadsheet document with 28 currency pairs plus US 30, and I associated a buy tag at the end of each of them, and then I also duplicated that list and associated a sell tag at the end of them. That gives us actually 58 different options. So I'm going to go ahead and copy those here. And we're going to go over to random.org, and at the top is the list randomizer. We're going to go ahead and randomize this list. I will paste it into the box here, and we will hit the randomize button. And here we are going to do a CAD JPY sell. Again, a completely random trade. So CAD JPY sell. Let's go ahead and open that now on the chart. First thing I'm going to do is open up the market watch here and CAD JPY. I'm going to drag that to the chart. You can see we're now on CAD JPY. Doesn't really matter the time frame because we're just going to enter a sell. I'm at a 0.1 lot size or $1. I'm going to go ahead and hit sell, and we are in an active trade here Sunday evening.
If you are enjoying the Random Forex Trader video series and you are beginning to see the power of creating profits in the Forex market, it's even easier to get all of my daily profitable Forex trades sent directly to your MT4 account, freeing you up from complex trade entry strategies, and you can get your share of the automated Forex profits. Check the link in the description area below or simply visit fxwithterry.com for full details. Now, back to the video.
Now, just for a little bit of automation, I'm going to go ahead and create a take profit line. Since we're in a sell, I'm just going to drag this trade entry line. I'm going to drag it down and drop it. And what I want to do is I'm just going to set it at like $25. So if I hover over this line, it says our profit right now would be about $19.87. Let's drag it down just a little bit farther, and let's see where we're at here. $26.90. I'll leave it there. Here's something I want to look at. I don't know what the average true range is at any given time for CAD JPY. So that's kind of going to come into play in terms of how much I can expect this currency pair to move, and that will let me dictate a little bit more how much profit I might be able to take. And of course, it's a random generalization, but let's go look at my market watch chart on this particular currency pair. So the first thing I want to do is look at an indicator here that I use, and I can sort the pairs by the daily ATR, the daily average true range. I'm going to sort it from highest to lowest, and we're trading CAD JPY. Looks like it's about middle of the road, 126 pips, so that's not bad at all. Opposed to, if you look down here at the bottom of the chart, the NZD CHF only moves 65 pips on an average day. So again, CAD JPY moves 126. I'm going to go ahead and leave it at that about 25 pip range that I chose. And just for the heck of it, let's go look at an analysis chart on CAD JPY real quick. Here's my analysis setup. Let's find CAD JPY. Here it is. I'm going to open it up. Now we're looking at the 4 hour. Let's come down a little bit to about the 1 hour. And it looks like the pair itself has been a little flat lately. And interestingly enough, we're in a sell. And just recently last week, at the end of last week, there was a sell indication. So might get lucky in that sense. If not, then what I do is I show you how I trade out of a bad trade. Again, this is a random trade. We've got lucky. Here we are, episode 6. We've got lucky every time and went into profit. So let's go back to the chart. Here we are, a sell trade, CAD JPY Sunday evening. It's about $2 in profit already. I've got the take profit set to, looks like $26.90. I can drag it up just a little bit. Let's see, we're at $25.08. That is a 32 pip move. So let's see how it plays out, and I'll see you in the next episode, episode 7.